Hey guys, so I'm going to record you a quick video on how to make your Xbox connection faster in 30 seconds or less. So first things first, press your Xbox button and go over to your profile picture, go down to settings, go to network settings, then click advanced settings, then go to QoS tagging settings and click restart now. Hey guys, hopefully that helped you out. Basically, I'm just here to say we've unlocked monetization for the channel now. We've unlocked super chats and memberships as well. And pretty much I'm just here to say that, less than 10% of the people who watch my channel right now are subscribed. I mean, not a big deal. You're still watching, so I'm happy. But basically, I'm just here to ask if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. It would help me out a lot. Helps the algorithm, makes them share my videos more, etc. But that being said, guys, hope this helped you out. Yeah, see ya.